All my grandsons, what they call this? What you call this train, puppy?
A whistling train.
A whistling train?
Yeah.
But who's the character?
A snowman.
A snowman?
No, in the box. No, no, right there.
Yeah, but what's his name? What's his name?
What?
What's the train's name?
Right there.
But what? That's a cartoon?
Yeah, cartoon.
What cartoon is it? Can you tell me which one it is?
Yeah. Hey.
Who is it? What's the name of it?
TV.
No, it's on TV?
Yeah.
But what's the name of it, Mario?
What?
What's the name of this train?
Thomas.
Oh, Thomas. Oh, it's Thomas. Okay. And the thing is, he got all these cool, like Mario got him this, I don't know. What's the name of that car you got him, Mario?
Wildfire monster truck.
A wildfire monster truck. And this is what he's playing with. This right here. This is that and Angry Bird, a little Angry Bird thing that we bought him, and he forget it, crazy over it. But I like the monster truck. It's so cool. I'll put that up later. Okay. Say Merry Christmas to everybody, puppy.
Merry Christmas.
No, say Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Okay. All right. This is Pete Nice. I'm out.